Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Vivoactive 3 music tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your watch with Bluetooth headphones. It's actually pretty easy. It'll enable you to listen to music through headphones directly from your watch rather than having to bring your phone on a run with you. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is put your headphones in Bluetooth pairing mode. As you can see, these are blinking red and blue. After you do that, we have to go to the Bluetooth settings. So hold down on the face, then scroll down to settings. Inside settings, scroll down until you get to sensors and accessories. And then in here, we're going to go to add new. Now we need to just choose the type that we're going to be adding. We're going to be adding a pair of headphones. So we'll select that. And as you can see, it's searching for the headphones. You want to make sure your headphones are close to your watch. Garmin recommends within 6 feet. As you can see, it found the headphones MPOW 059. So I'll just select that to add it. There we go. The red and blue has stopped blinking and now it's just blinking blue. The MPOW headphones are now connected to my Garmin Vivoactive 3 music, and I can listen to any music that's been uploaded to my watch on my headphones. And I no longer need to bring my phone with me when I exercise. So that's how you pair headphones with your Garmin Vivoactive 3 music. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Vivoactive 3 or Vivoactive 3 music tutorials, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.